263, number 1. Pass to Wilson. Wilson is saved by Joe Alice. Crossover to Alice. Alice, the number 0. Running without license, Santawa, Yvette Arsen. Reyes. Pellegrini, Tito Mamalio. Ayun na bola, ball goes to Sablo Knights. Stays with Sablo Knights. Sablo Knights ball. Patanggal mo ng flash, yung nag-ano, bibidyo, flash. Patanggal po. Kuya, flash po, patanggal. Nakakasilaw po yan sa player. Thank you. Blue ball. Alice, taking three again. Boys, 8-3. Blue Knights. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Marion, 8-3. Lamsen, winning, Basan, pass to Marion, Marion again, Marion to boys, Marion, pass to Manuel, to Segundo, 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 11. Pass it down. Number 11. Foul by jersey number 27. Second personal foul. First team foul. Shooting body shot. Valpino. Converted and 1. 37-34. 3-point. Shout out, yeah, Tumano. Asal dari login. Out of bounds, goes to Nebraska basketball. Manuel, Susadu, Lamsen, Subon, Lamsen, 7 minutes and 2 seconds. Reyes, pass to Cruz, 83, Manuel, Lamsen, to Manuel, pass to number 1, is here, Mayayo, to Marion, to Marion, 39-36, in favor of the basket 2. Crossover move. 15 seconds to shoot. 83. Samuel. Now to Marion. Marion. 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Manuel 83. At isa ito yan na. All 6 men. Ang simento ng tagasan dito. Kevin, running down right, it's fast, Kevin. Simple nothing. 5 minutes and 45. Manuel, pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Logan, Timo Marion. Marion to the he's here, number 0. To number 1, Senador, pass to Manuel. Biggie Gray. Nugget. Rebound by number 1. Number 11. Nugget. Rebound by Ayo. Standby for each one. Standby. Back to Derrick Reyes. Derrick Reyes. 1.8 na lang. Standby for each one. 2 points. 8-5 na ito ay naging sa inyo na choose to go. Unang magat, i-upper na. Shoutout sa iyo, Jen Tumano. Ay, dito. Change ka na po.
Sinira mo kasi yung stand natin eh.
O hindi ako yun.
Kasi kami, paano pwede magpalit mamaya yun? Oo, pwede. Pwede.
Pwede, sir pa. Pwede.
Ano yun, Mike?
Wala.
Doggy. Sabelia.
Baka maayos.
Sayang. 46 minutes, green, Doggy, 3-1. Mercy. Pass to Damasco. Pass to Damasco. Pass to San Martin. Lumipad. Sereniano. Pass to Damasco. 19 seconds to shoot. Sereniano. Spin around. Tiger. 2 points. Andrew. Sereniano. 1.35. 2 points. Number 19. Sully. Sereniano on the winning green. Nugget, you go by Delval. Combination number 63. Urbano. First team foul. First personal foul. Shooting 2. Ryan Delval. First shot is 2. Second shot, makukuha yan. Nugget, Imabay, Delval again. Delval, pass to Sereniano. 18 seconds to shoot. Sereniano comes off the move. Sereniano! Basket now by Sereniano. Foul by the number. 63. Urbano, second personal foul. Timeout, standby for timeout. Pag-shoot, timeout po. Balik po kayo. Bonus shot by Andrew Sereniano. Timeout. Kataas ni Basket Suits. Ang timeout na ito ay natin sa inyo na Aiden's Burger. Masarap kahit walang sauce. Sir, out of bounds, ball goes in. Kataas ni Basket. Thank you. No basket. Then is it to number 24. Nugget, Rebound by. Number 20. Rebound by. Jersey. Pass to Damasco. Rebound. 2 points. Zero. Damasco. 49-46, 3.8 by South Blue Knights. Shirley Andrew Sevillano. First shot is still good. And shot is still good again. In moment after 20. Wow, tally foul by jersey number 29. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Change 5.
83, Nuggets, Bumaba, Jerome, to Seriliano. Seriliano, 2 points, Andrew, Seriliano. Number 24, 51.6, Elia. Nuggets, Bumaba, number 18, foul. Foul by jersey number 7, Salvante. First personal foul, third team foul. At the first sub po, wala pong sub. Third quarter na po, pwede yung sub, third quarter. Push up. First row is so good. Sige, Salvante. Basket, 1 point. Seriliano again. Seriliano traveling without license. Ang sabi ng ref, Arce. Logi, hindi mo man number 20. 2 points. Number 20, Melia. Julius, 5 seconds. To Salvante. Salvante, with 5, 2 points. 3 points, Salvante.
Okay, ikaw, ginawa ko na ng paraan. Para di ka may... Dito ka na lang sa taas. Okay. Dito ka. Sorry.
10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Logi. Di pa ba number 20? Number 20 again. Logi again. Di pa ba Damasco? Damasco pass to Triggs. Jersey. Steal by number 20. To RJ Melia. Melia, short jumper. Logi. Di pa ba Damasco? To Salvante. 1 minute and 14 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking Andrew Sevillano. Shoutout po sa team ay Coach Segi. Shoutout po sa'yo. Primo pa, Salvante. To Salvante, coast to coast. Salvante para si Lebron. 2 points, Lebron. Salvante. 43 seconds. Urbano. Pasu out of bounds. Wala lang.
LeBron James.
Wala lang committee. Yak lang, Blue Knights.
LeBron.
Seriliano, 35 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. Seriliano, pass to Salvante, taking 3. No good. 3 more ball. Jersey. It's still high, number 20. Melia. 2 points. Melia, number 20. 18 seconds. Shot lock off. 15 seconds. Steal by number 2, Melia. Foul by jersey number 29, Damasco. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Blue Knights. 10 seconds remaining on the clock. 10 seconds remaining on the clock. 7 seconds. Out of bounds. 5 seconds remaining. 3. Blue Knights.
Hindi, nilagay ko lang. Pero kasama ko dito. Okay tayo. Rep, okay na?
Para mabago.
Tubig?
Yellow ball, yellow ball.
Baso? Boss, patalakas ko talaga. Tayo ang akin yan. Kagabi, di tayo nanalo. Ay,
Kaya tayo na Mikey eh, no?
hindi. Saan yung ano ko? Ay, paabot ka ng blue na yan. Yung baso, kunin yung baso dyan. Sa kulay ano? Sa dilaw. Tangin yan. Yun.
Okay na boss, laban na.
Meron po baso rito, lapit na po, rep. Okay na. Ha?
Nag-update na naman.
Wala rin yelo, tatakuha lang din ng yelo yan.
Boss, nakuha mo na lang yan. Boss, paano tayo start yung ano? Yung e-bike? Di ba ano sabi mo yun? Diba, unlock o. Sige, saksak mo, unlock. Tapos sa susi ko. Ayun o. Unlock. Di ba in-unlock ko? Unlock. Kasi ano, pag naka-preno, hindi siya under. Tanggalin mo yung preno, yung dalawang
Remind ko lang po, yung magsasabor, magsa-timeout, lapit lang po sa committee para makita po. Salamat po.
Oh, mga 20 lang.
Three! Wilson! Manuel! Reyes! To Bruce! Nugget! Limo by Thompson! Bobby violation! Fifty-eight, 54, 4.8 by Team Lunas. Three, uno, una.
Coach. We thank you. Ay, yung kanina ka sa jersey. Ay, mamaya na ka Thank you.
Shoutout sa kay Coach Navy. Welcome sa aking season 1 Pausic Bang. Power jersey number 28. First personal foul, first team foul. Shooting two, Munaw. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Nuno Munaw. Nakuha ka. 1-2 by Nuno Munaw. 8 minutes to 53, 62-54. Wilson taking three. Wilson Manuel. Reyes taking three. Eric Reyes. Hapon pa yan. Intercepted by Ayo. Cruz. Pass to Jerry. Jerry. Bola ng Blue Knights. Day 3, W5, number 69. To Lamson, 2 points. Lamson. Three. Nugget, 3 number 20. Pass to number 28. 28. Wow. Wow, jersey number 33. Second team foul. First personal foul by Joe Ames. Shooting two. Wilson Manuel. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Winston Manuel. Abangan natin yan. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. No good. Lima by Unaw. Pass to Moyo. Thank you, Green. No good. Lima by. Steal by Malin. Steal by Lapsen. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Kataske basketball. Out of bounds, ball goes to Blue Knights. 7 minutes and 8 seconds.
Okay, running time pa rin dyan ah. Ito na naman yung mga sinira yung ano.